your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna go over like a really simple natural look. I know I did one in the past, but I haven't like done an updated makeup look in a while because I tend to post most of my makeup stuff on TikTok, but I'm like, let me start posting some on YouTube. And also, I'm at 10K subs. Thank you guys so much for like getting me there. I've definitely been at this thing for like a minute now, but not consistently. But since I've been consistent, you know, giving you guys content, giving you guys videos, like I've definitely seen the love, I've seen the growth, and like it's just so fun, so enjoyable, like showing you guys new things. Yeah, just building a community. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into this video and I'll show you guys how I do my natural everyday beat. You can accomplish this look in like 10 minutes or even less, honestly. Like once you get it down pat, like I just be eating it up, going through it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Literally, it's so cold in Florida. And I'm gonna put on one of these like little cute thingy majigs. So the first thing I do always got a little spoolie, and I just like to brush out my brows. Little background on my brows, they are micro shaded. I haven't gotten them touched up in probably like a year and a half now, and I laminate them. So because I have some work done on it, like I don't really do too much on it. And I just like brush out my lashes, which this is another game changer. I don't know how to apply falsies, so like literally getting my lashes done is a must. Because I have these two things done, it's like I kind of already got that out the way, so I don't ever have to like do too much, because like I have the two main things done. I used this in my eyebrows, and I usually just brush upward because I like more like the natural full look. Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just gonna use the black in this palette, and I just take a little bit of it and line like right under my eyebrow, under and across. So like that. So once I have the line started, then I take more color to the end, and I kind of just do hair like strokes with the brush throughout my brow. Very, very light. Because the point is, I don't want to darken the brow, I just want more of a defined line because I haven't gotten it touched up in a long time. The other brow's my good brow, like, brow. I hate this brow. Sephora concealer in shade number 16. I'm gonna use that underneath my brows. You can see it. Because we are going for a more natural look, I don't really want a super high contrast under my eyebrows. And I also just like to clean up the bottom. I don't touch the top. really in a hurry, this will probably be the only thing I use on my face with some powder under my eyes, and that's about it. My Il Makiage foundation in shade 225. Just use the brush, the Il Makiage brush as well, because it came with it and it's pretty good. Doesn't do a bad job. I don't use any primer on my face. That's just me. I don't really see where it really makes much of a difference. I'm not one to really sweat off my makeup. And I don't use a lot of foundation. I go very, very light on the foundation because I just personally don't feel like my skin needs it. A lot of the difference you see in makeup is with the concealer, at least for me, like I said. What do you guys think of the new Drake album? I feel like there's been like mixed reviews about it. I don't know, I kind of like it. Like the beginning, one of my favorite songs on it is Amen with Tizo Touchdown. I feel like it's just kind of catchy. It's like Amen, it has like the church thing. It's like hoping to find Amen, like Amen, and it's Amen, like. Foundation on. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty concealer in shade 420. My ultimate favorite concealer. Put a little bit in the crease. And then I'm just gonna tap, 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 tap. Honestly, I feel like I changed my concealer application under my eye so much. Never consistent. Concealer brush from somewhere, Walmart, Sephora, I don't know. I was kind of in a zone and I already started doing this, but with a natural makeup look, I don't always do my chin and my forehead. So you guys don't have to do that. But I already placed the product there because I forgot. Sometimes I just do under my eye alone. My baby's deaf crying, I think. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, I have my Nova Beauty palette. Fronting just over my eye. And then drip, I'm gonna use that highlight my eyebrows. Fenty Beauty powder in shade Honey, my ultimate favorite. These, best investment ever. Doing a natural look, I don't bake. I kind of just put on and I press in. Okay. Mascara to my bottom lash. My ultimate favorite blush, it's 345 Hot Frenzy. Orange blushes, they go so well with like darker skin tones. I have other blushes, but I feel like I just don't use them as much. I'm kind of using the blush as a bronzer, just to kind of like warm up my face. They're so cute. I got my Halloween nails. So we're almost done. We're just gonna do a little lippy. I have a whole bunch of just dark brown colored pencils, and I just like pretty much use any one of them as a lip liner. YSL Candy Glaze. I have a few of these. I either use the brown one or a nude. This is the nude one. It's color 02. But it doesn't really have any pigment, so it kind of just gives a little bit of a glaze. Urban Decay setting spray. It's either this or Morph for me, but I ran out of Morph because Morph is kind of like my number one. So we're just gonna use this one. I don't like how this one smells though. It works, I mean, it gets the job done. Then I go back and I just kind of do a little bit more powder. A very simple girl. We're simple. Well, that's it, guys. Very simple, very easy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will list all the products I use in the description box below, have them in my Amazon storefront, anywhere I need to place it pretty much for you guys to find it. This is like my everyday, we're running out, we can do this quick routine. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.